All right, welcome back. So this is the price list for social media management. Okay, so we have basic plan. Under the basic plan, we have the platform we are concentrating on for now include Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Okay, so we'll be posting content on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for the business. We create graphic design flyer. Okay, so you can create a flyer, a few flyers, like 2 flyers for the business for that particular month, or 1 flyer for the business, depending on what we want to work on. Okay, then 2 video content. So create two video content for the business. Okay, and we'll be posting twice a month. So we post one video for the first 2 weeks. In a 2 weeks, we post one video, and we post a graphic design with design. Okay, then the next 2 week we post another video, and maybe a flyer if we create a flyer for that particular month. Okay, then you also write article and post for the business in their social media platform on Facebook, on Instagram, and YouTube. Okay, so under the premium plan, we have we're still concentrating on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. We design graphic design, okay, graphic flyers for the business, then 3 video content, and we are posting three times a month. Okay, then and you see the price 50k for basic plan, 50k per month. Okay, for premium plan, 3 times you are going to be posting 3 times a month, so 80,000 naira for now. So remember, 50,000 naira is 500 Ghana cedi. Okay, so 80,000 naira is 800 Ghana cedi. Okay, but like I said, please, before you visit any business owner, try to chat me and confirm from me, so that in case if the price has been altered, we'll let you know. Okay, okay. All right, so then for the enterprise plan, we're posting once a week, so that is to say 4 times a week. Every week we'll be posting weekly for the business. Okay, so we are going to be creating 4 video content per month and be posting it once a week. So posting it on YouTube, on Facebook, and on Instagram. Okay, and it's also our duty after creating the video to create video thumbnail. Okay, and use catchy caption and or whatnot to make the video possibly go viral on different social media platforms. Okay, but while explaining to the client about this social media post, do not give them the impression that once we make one post it will go viral. You have to let them know that it takes time for posts to go viral on social media. Okay, but as long as you are consistent, gradually the audience will continue to be built, and your product will be gradually get your product in the heart of many people. But it's going to be a gradual process. It doesn't happen quickly overnight. Okay, but at least gradually it continues to build. You continue to build people's interest in your business through all these posts you are making. And another advantage of this post is that when somebody asks you about your social media handle, when you send your social media handle to them, when they go there, they see valuable content about your business. And when people are searching online, okay, they will also see valuable content. I mean, if you've been posting constantly, your business, the business that has that content will be show on Google and other search engine, as long as you are posting constantly. And all these things are values you get. I know when somebody searches on Google and see your content and watch the video, and the videos are wonderful, the person will quickly grow interest and we start buying from you. Okay, so it's not only about having maybe lots of views or going viral on Facebook or on YouTube, but it's also about having video content and having textual content that people will see. Whenever they need to know about you, people that are searching online will see. Okay, and people that need to see your social media handle, the content they are going to see that will convince them. Okay, yeah. So, and again, if you have a customer that asks you questions about some of your products, you can quickly share a video to them. Just go through and watch this video. Okay, so all these things are the necessity for having all this social media handle and for having somebody that is managing it for you. So when you explain this properly to a business owner, the business owner will get interested if you do a good job at explaining, because these things are quite useful to them. Okay, a lot of businesses are left behind. They don't have all these platforms, even though they are making money and they are surviving. But if they can integrate all these systems, they will make much more. Truth to be told, yeah, they're actually going to make more than many times they are making. If they're making ₦1 million profit per month, it's possible they are going to make up to 5 million or 10 million per month if they begin to integrate this and take it serious. But the problem we have today is that a lot of businesses don't really know the value of these things. They don't know the value, and they're not ready to spend enough money for it. So it is our duty to convince them to start doing it. Okay, gradually they will begin to see the result. Okay, gradually. It might take some time, but suddenly it will explode, and they'll begin to get more and more customers to cover whatever cost, whatever price they're paying for this. All right. So if you explain this properly to them, they will understand and they will buy into it. Okay, like I said before, never ever tell them that once we start posting on social media, they will get instant that their social media handle will blow up. It doesn't work that way, please. But let them know that gradually they will continuously build audience, and whenever people visit their website or visit their social media platforms, the person will get encouraged to buy from them because of the content we've been posting, and they can share it to their customers. Okay, this will help build trust, and customer will take you seriously, that this business is a serious business. Do you understand? So all these are important for today's business. Okay, if you're a business owner and you don't have all these things, at a point you'll be left behind. Some businesses that have it, they start doing much better than you. All these are what you're going to explain to the client, or to your client, or to a business owner that you visited. If you do this, if you do it well, the person will get seriously interested and will subscribe. Okay, I'm talking about subscription. This is a monthly plan, and a business owner who is really very serious about this can subscribe for 1 year. Okay, for 1 year, so that whatever plan he wants to go for, he can subscribe for 1 year, because we really need like 1 year to build strong customer base. Okay, and make the business grow fast. After 1 year, if they check the money they paid for this subscription and what they get in return, they will be shocked, because it's going to blow their mind. Do you understand? And one more thing we do for businesses is this: if the business owner is not convinced, we don't mind starting, as in giving them free service for 1 month. Okay, free service for 1 month. Okay, if it's for social media, we can create content and post for them for 1 month. Okay, then after that they will check if they are okay with that. Then if they're okay, they subscribe. Okay, then if they're going for email marketing and they are not convinced, they can only, if they can pay for maybe a month subscription for email, because this a month subscription, it is not our money, we are paying it to the email marketing platform that we are subscribing to. Okay, so if they can pay for the subscription only, all these services you can offer to them for free for 1 month. So after 1 month, if they are okay and they want to start paying for subscription, then we'll give it to them. So that's how we kind of let them know that we know what we are doing and we can offer good service to them. But don't just tell them this until once you find out that they are skeptical, okay, that they are not convinced, then you now bring out this offer. Okay, and for the email subscription, for the amount they're going to pay for email subscription, you also need to confirm from us, because the price continues to change. Confirm from us so that we check the current plan price to tell them, okay, for the subscription. So if they can subscribe for 1 month, we offer them free service for 1 month. Then after 1 month, if they're okay with that and they want to continue to pay us, they'll pay us. But just know, for you, if we are offering free service for 1 month, you yourself as a marketer, you also have to wait for that 1 month. Okay, the moment they subscribe and start paying, then you earn your own bonus. All right. Meanwhile, you will need to ask me how much you are going to be earning per clients you get for us. You will need to ask me that, okay, because the price might change, and that's why I don't want to include it in this video. The reason being that if I include it in the video, if the price changes, then this video I won't have to come back to start editing it. You understand me? So chat me to ask me once you are ready to start the promotion. Ask me the price or the price list of, ask me for this document. Then ask me about your pay, how much you are going to be receiving per client, okay, and the price of email subscription. All these three are the information you need to do a good job. Okay, thank you so much. So so looking at the prices, see this 80k, 120 and 180. Okay, 80,000 naira, which is 800 Ghana cedi, or 50. Oh, sorry, we are in social media. Okay, this one is for social media. Okay, so this 50,000, which is 500 Ghana cedi, and this 80,000, which is 800 Ghana cedi. There's 150,000. Okay, which is 1,500 Ghana cedi. Okay, so that is it. Then for dollars, this is about $50. Okay, and this about let's say $100, and this about let's say it's $200 or thereabout. All right, but just confirm from us in case if you are dealing with a foreign client. Confirm from us, because for foreign clients, price will be much higher than this. Confirm from us, please. Okay, because there are ways we deal with all these people. There are prices you tell them, they will think it's so poor, and they might think you don't know what you're doing. Hope you understand. So if you're dealing with any foreign client or people that are based abroad, you need to consult us so we'll talk about it. Okay, and the higher the price you get for us, we might add more money to what you're supposed to earn. Thank you so much, and this just for the price list for social media management. Thank you so much.